In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a circle. So community step by step, ensuring you have all the guidance you need to get started on the right foot for 2025. First, to begin your journey into building a thriving community, you'll want to either create an account or log in if you already have one. From there, head over to Circle.so. It may prompt you to verify your email. If so, be sure to follow through with this step to ensure your account is fully set up and functional. Once you've verified your email, it's time to create your community. On your dashboard, you should find the option to create a community. This is where you get to define the core identity of your community by entering a community name, logo, and a unique URL. Once all these details are in place, go ahead and click Create Community. Now that your community skeleton is established, the next step involves setting up spaces within your community. On the left sidebar, select Spaces and then Create Space. Here you have the flexibility to choose different space types like posts, courses, events, or chat, tailoring each to fit the needs of your community. Enter a space name and hit Create. Feel free to repeat this process to add multiple spaces to accommodate various topics or discussions within your community. Customization is key. Navigate to customize your branding by first clicking on your profile photo, then heading over to Settings and selecting Branding. This is where you'll upload a logo and a favicon and adjust your brand colors, ensuring they align with your community's identity and values. Don't forget to scroll down and hit Save Changes to keep everything intact. Now let's add members to your community. In the left sidebar, click on Members and then Invite Members. You can enter email addresses directly or simply generate an invite link to share. After you've done this, click Send. For those looking to monetize their community, you have the option to set up paid plans. Visit your settings, locate payments, and then plans. Here you can create different plans by setting a plan name, price, and the level of access it grants. If your Stripe account hasn't been connected yet, be sure to link it now so you can receive payments. Content creation is crucial, so head over to a space and create posts. You can add text, images, PDFs, or even videos to engage with your community in diverse ways. If you're interested in live interaction, consider hosting events or live streams. Within a space, create an event, select live stream as the type, add a title, date, and time, and when it's go time, click Start Event. Lastly, managing your community is an ongoing process. Regularly review the community settings to update descriptions, adjust policies, or even refine the community